Who said that?
That's what I googled.
Oh, that's why you eat Google?
Most dogs have 4 nails on each foot in the back and 5 nails on the front foot.
Really?
Yep. Yep. Let's count.
It's just 4 in the back. Look. Okay, so while he is
Let's check the front. Let's check each foot. So ready? That's 1. Is that pink?
Yeah.
Pink?
2.
Oh, jeez.
He's up already.
Man. Ready? Check that one.
Just feel it. 1, 2. He's up.
Go ahead, check that.
Okay, let me check it. 1, 2, 3, 4.
5. There should be 5 on the front.
1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4, honey. He only has 4 paws. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's impossible.
There's another nail right here. Look.
Where? Yeah, that's 1.
1.
2, 3, 4. Internet lied to you. There's only 4. Yeah, there's only 4.
Okay.
And then here too. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can cut some more of this because I only cut very little because I'm scared. You see? You can still see white. I only cut the very tip. There's one here that I cut like close to. Good morning. He's so cute.
Why are you sleepy, babe? Why don't you get a shower?
Okay. Let me get shower.
And put the hamper in front of the door.
Yeah, I'm gonna block the door. Wow. Morning sunlight is so nice. Just rub him. Alright.
He's gonna want to come and scry now at the door.
Because you opened all the lights, the blinds. Okay. Yeah. I have to take shower while pagod pa si Matli, guys. I'm done showering na, guys. I'm gonna do my morning skincare. Paulit-ulit lang ang skincare ko, guys. I still use my Anua toner. Naghahantay si Matli sa akin sa labas. Nilalaro siya ni Paul. So, I use this toner every morning. I like it kasi walang alcohol. Super mild niya. Kasi yung alaga namin na umiiyak sa labas, minsan, dinidilaan niya yung mukha ko. Di maiwasan talaga yan. And then, I like this. Papaubos na, guys. The La Roche-Posay Double Repair Face Moisturizer. This is also good. I have been using this for probably 3 months now, guys. Nakadalawang empty. Yes, Matli. Gustong pumasok dito. Nakadalawang, ano na ako na ito, gamit. Dalawang bato. Mabilis ang skincare lang to, guys. And then I always use this sunscreen, SPF 50, same brand from before, Color Science. Kahit magbilad ako sa araw, yung freckles ko, hindi siya masyadong nangingitim. That's how I know na this thing really works. Kasi yung iba, hindi siya nag-work sa skin ko. Yeah, Ganyan lang, guys. I try not to put sa aking liig kasi pag hinawakan ko si Matli, dito agad niya nalilik yung sa liig ko. So, let's leave it like that. And then also, this one is very good. Ito yung parang foundation. Not sure kung napakita ko na ba to sa inyo, guys. Parang napakita ko na to sa inyo. Yung pag, pag inarab mo na siya sa skin, nag-change yung color niya into skin tone. Nag-blend siya sa kulay ng skin mo. I like it. And this has more of a thicker protection, coverage, than the other one. So, I'm just gonna layer this kasi baka mamaya lalabas kami. I-drive namin si Matli. Pag-drive namin si Matli sa labas kasi parang natatakot pa siya sa mga cars. Pag nilabas ko niya siya ng bahay, pag nakakita siya ng cars, ay nako, gustong bumalik sa bahay. Gusto niyang pumasok ulit. So, hindi siya sanay sa mga noises, sa mga cars. So, i-expose namin siya para unti-unti masasanay siya. So, and you know guys, I already have my nano stroke and shading eyebrows, permanent makeup. I also have my eyeliner, permanent makeup. So, hindi ko na talaga kailangan ng masyadong makeup, guys. And that's it. That's it. That's enough for me for my skincare. Kailangan ko na lumabas. Si Matli. Naku! Gusto niya pumasok dito sa kwarto. Gusto niya maglalaro dito. Mommy! Mommy! Wow! Are you happy to see me? Oh no, it's not me! It's the bedroom! It's the carpet!
Kasi, man. There you go.
What happened to you, baby?
Are you done in here?
Yes.
I'm gonna lock it up.
Okay. What? Matli, are you a good boy? Matli, are you a good boy? Are you a good boy? Huh? Are you a good boy? Huh? No, no, Matli. Kinakagat niya yan. No, Matli. No. Matli, you're a good boy. Don't do that. Don't do that. Si Matli, kung ano-ano lang talaga ang nilalaro niya. Ayun, may kinuha siya dito sa cabinet, guys. Ay, naku, sapatos ko yan eh. Travel shoes ko yan. Ay, naku. Matli! Super big curls. Pero maliit na barrel ang gamit ko, guys. Wala na kasing layer ang buhok ko. Parang straight na lang siya dito. Ayan. I'm done. Let's put some oils. Hello. Hello, bouncy. Big curls hair. Yep. Alright, is it? I cannot make these two eggplants. Just one maybe. Ang talong. Ito yung talong dito sa Amerika, guys. American eggplant. Ganun. So big. Magluluto ako ng eggplant parm. Nakapagluto na ako nito last time, guys. Kung napanood nyo yung vlog ko. Ayun. Parang step-by-step process ata yung ginawa ko.
Then you gotta put it on a tray with salt.
Okay. What happened? He wants to go out again? Wait till mom is done cooking, Marley. Honey, should I use all the 2 eggplants?
I would use both of
Okay, I have. Okay.
You're cutting it in diagonal, right? Not circles. How
Huh?
are you doing it?
Huh?
Are you cutting circles or are you cutting strips?
Circles.
You cutting circles?
Yeah.
That's fine.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
No, it doesn't matter.
As long as it's the same thickness.
I would actually take out the pan, the baking sheet in the oven, and put parchment paper on it and lay them all on there, put the salt on there, and let them sit.
Frying the eggplant. It's really hot. So I'm gonna have to flip it right away. Mainit yung mantika ko, guys. Just like that. Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. Assembly time. Nag-assemble na kami ng eggplant farm. Grabe si Afam. Hindi talaga ako iniwan dito. Good job, honey. Okay. Alas 4 na ng hapon. Hindi pa kami tapos. Nakalimutan ko, hindi pala ako nakapag-lunch ngayon. Nawala sa isip ko. Sabi ko, bakit? Sakit ng tiyan ko. Kumakalang nga ako sa mura. Nakalimutan ko palang kumain. Honey, is this good? It should be good.
I hope they don't. I think one more layer would be okay, but I don't want to get spilling over. You got to keep an eye on it in the oven. Here, B.
That might be too high.
It's going to come up near the top.
Okay, let me grab it, honey.
Get all the corners.
Just leave it. It won't break. One more, honey. Maybe some spot.
Save some for the top.
Okay. So thin.
There's a thin one right there.
This one is thin. It's a big one.
And you can maybe break a couple or break one or two.
Okay. Cheese.
I would break them up.
Let's see. Yeah, I would have to break some. is just enough, honey.
That's why I got the big jar.
I'm just gonna do it like this.
Don't overdo it.
Okay, I'm gonna try to.
Just keep an eye on it, make sure it don't start spilling over the edge.
Oh yeah.
And then while that's cooking, you can start chopping up in fine pieces the basil.
Basil. Okay.
As soon as that comes out of the oven, you throw the basil on top of it while it's cooling down.
After 30 minutes?
Yeah, well they say 30 minutes until it's brown.
Okay.
Very hot. Don't touch the metal with your fingers. Be careful. Watch your fingers.
Oh yeah. No. Yay! It's Daddy! Yeah, yeah. Is that